What if you could start making money without spending a single dollar? No ads, no tools, no upfront cost. I'll show you how to make money with no investment, step by step. Most people think you need money to make money. That's not true anymore. Today, I'll share real ways to earn online with zero investment. Only your time and effort. Freelancing is the fastest way to earn with no investment. You can offer skills like writing, video editing, or graphic design. You don't need paid tools to start. Free software, internet, and consistency equals income. Clients pay for results, not certificates. You can earn through online jobs like virtual assistant or data entry. These jobs pay regularly and are perfect for beginners. Your time is your investment, not money. Affiliate marketing lets you earn by recommending products. You don't create products or handle delivery. Use free platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can make money by creating content with just your phone. Use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You earn through ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. Consistency beats equipment every time. You already know something valuable. Turn it into a guide, a checklist, or a service. Create digitally, sell online, and invest nothing. Knowledge is currency. If someone asks for registration fees or guaranteed income, that's not zero investment. Real no investment income requires learning and effort, not payment. Now you know how to make money with no investment the legit way. If this helped, like the video. Subscribe for more zero investment ideas. Comment zero if you want a beginner roadmap. See you in the next video. Start earning today. Your journey to financial freedom begins now.